Chief Paul Ezenwaka has been elected the new President General of Aguluezechukwu in Agwata local government area of Anambra State. Chief Ezenwaka polled a total of 513 votes. Correspondent Aguluezechukwu has the details.
The election conducted by Mr. Ezenwaka, who the community appointed to be the returning officer, saw the election of Mr. Uche Chiadi as the first vice president after polling 640 votes, and Mr. Ejike Okoye emerged second vice president with 504 votes. Secret ballot system of voting was used to elect the president general and his vice presidents, while open ballot was used for the office of provost and director of social. Mr. Uchenna Okeke was elected the chief provost with 228 votes, while Mr. Chekube Ifedibo was elected the assistant provost with 102 votes. Mr. Emeka Okeke was elected director of social with 395 votes. However, Uchenna Ezemezue was returned as the general secretary. Reverend Canon Sunday Ike returned as treasurer. Reverend Chidi Onuigwe returned as the financial secretary, and Mr. Kingsley Okonkwo returned as the assistant secretary after they emerged unopposed. Addressing the jubilant crowd, the new President General of Aguluezechukwu Improvement Union, Chief Ezenwaka thanked God for restoring peace in the community, noting that his people have spoken with one voice through the election, and reminded them that the development of Aguluezechukwu is a collective responsibility.
I thank God today our people came out in numbers and spoke their mind. They have employed us to serve this community. The development of this community is our collective responsibility.
The immediate past President General of the community, Chief Anthony Obiagwu, who expressed satisfaction with the outcome of the election, advised the new town executives to work with humility, transparency, and to see themselves as servants of the community for them to achieve success.
Humility, honesty, transparency. As a good child, add what God did, no? That way we can succeed. People are like favor.
In separate reactions, Mr. Ezenwaka thanked his community for giving him the opportunity to serve, called for unity of purpose among them. Others who spoke, including Chief Tony Ebelendo, Martin Sokoye, Professor Godwin Okongwe, among others, all look forward to a sustainable peace and progress in Aguluezechukwu. There was heavy presence of security personnel and presentation of certificates to the winners of the election observed by delegates from Anambra State Ministry of Local Government, Chieftaincy and Community Affairs at St. Peter's Catholic Church Field, Aguluezechukwu, venue of the election.
We have witnessed a peaceful process. Aguluezechukwu Orano for ABS News.